Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive, stock number X273XX. 27,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with clean auto check history report, Ebony Twilight metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving it a balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, and rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, heads-up display, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60-40 split seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, keep your eyes on the road, large, easy to read gauges, forward collision alert, and again only 27,000 miles. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror. Automatic transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6-liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.